FEMA is conducting a nationwide emergency alert test. There'll be an electronic warning tone sent to every TV, radio, and cell phone in the United States. Remember, even if your phone is on silent, it will go off. Officials say this is only a test and you should not be concerned or alarmed. It'll happen at 2:20 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Wireless providers will transmit the national test for 30 minutes, but FEMA said phones should only receive it one time.